Welcome. It's a great day for an announcement. Any day is a great day for an announcement, but today, with COVID, this is a virtual announcement. We hope you'll enjoy this, hearing from public officials and company officials about a great company that's expanding for the 12th time here in Lee County. First, Governor Tate Reeves, tell us a little bit more about this company.
Thank you for allowing me to address y'all today to celebrate the latest expansion of General Atomics. This is an exciting day for Lee County and for all of Mississippi. I would like to thank General Atomics for continuing to expand their facility and their business nearly every year since its opening in 2005. This new expansion will create 125 new, good-paying jobs and will bring in almost $40 million in new investments into our state. That's 125 Mississippians that now have the opportunity to provide for themselves and provide for their families, and the opportunity to thrive right here at home. That's a local economy reinvigorated by an almost $40 million investment. This expansion also shows that Mississippi is ready to compete. As a contractor for the U.S. Navy, these critical jobs and this amazing investment will put Mississippi in the national spotlight, providing for General Atomics defense, industrial, and commercial customers across the globe. Yet another example of how crucial workforce training is to the success of my fellow Mississippians. Thank you again to General Atomics for investing in our state and for investing in our people. Working together, our future looks so much brighter. Stay safe and God bless.
Thank you, Governor Reeves, and thanks for being a great partner in economic development. Lee County appreciates all the work that you and MDA does for economic development here in the state of Mississippi. Now we're going to hear from Mr. Scott Forney, who is president of General Atomics Electromagnetic Systems.
Well, thank you, Governor Reeves. We really appreciate everything that you do for General Atomics. As you know, General Atomics has been in Tupelo, Mississippi, or really more specifically Shannon, since about 2005, I think is when we opened up our first building. Behind us you can see our new celebration. Celebration is for what we call Building 11, and we're just now building out building number 12. That will be the next time we get together. Building 11 is really quite important to the company. We built Building 11 in order to build conventional prompt strike or hypersonics parts for the United States Army and Navy programs. We're under contract and have been under contract for about 15 years, I suppose, in Huntsville, Alabama, where the engineering and the program management occurs. And then the outsourcing for all the different piece parts for the hyperglide bodies that we make for our prime, which is Dynetics, also out of Huntsville, Alabama, which is under contract to the Army, is in this building. So this building was purposely built and arranged, and we invested about $15 million of capital to ensure that this building was ready to support that important program. Once we established this building, General Atomics then made a decision that we wanted to co-locate all of our small and medium-sized CNC machines, and they have now been all relocated in this facility. Today, if you walk around the building, you'll see that we are making parts up to probably 6 or 7 feet in length, down to tiny parts that fit in the palm of my hand in the building. It's incredibly important to have the teamship we do with the Community Development Foundation and the MDA in the state of Mississippi to ensure that we get the right support. And one of the support areas we've gotten is to help us both with training of our new employees. I'll talk a little bit about the employees in a moment here, and also for some of the capitalization that we needed, whether it was for new crane systems, a new air conditioning support for this important facility. And I really want to thank Governor Reeves again for the continued support, and his predecessor, Phil Bryant. I think it's a great day in Lee County. Thank you.
Thank you, Scott. What an exciting project to expand here in Lee County. And now I'd like to recognize the County Board of Supervisors, the Lee County Board, with its president, Mr. Tommy Lee Ivey.
We're proud to be here today. General Atomics, one of the world's most innovative companies, continues to expand in Lee County. Now this is the 12th expansion, time since 2005. It's because of the people in our workforce. It's a true testament of the hard-working dedicated of our local workforce. On behalf of Lee County Board of Supervisors and our Chancellor Clay, we say thanks so much for what y'all have done, and thank for what you will do.
Thank you, Mr. Ivey, and thank you to the Board of Supervisors for being such a positive influence for Lee County, one of the largest manufacturing counties in the state of Mississippi. And now I'd like to introduce Mr. Tolly White, who in his normal job is the CFO of Magnolia Business Center, but this year he's chairman of the Community Development Foundation.
On behalf of the Community Development Foundation and the residents of Tupelo and Lee County, of course, we want to thank General Atomics for their continued efforts for them to grow their campus here in Lee County. I think it's their 12th expansion. The jobs that they bring to this area, the technical jobs, the engineering, the high tech, and that's what CDF's been looking to do, is to bring more jobs to this area, in this area. It gives us a great opportunity for our high school students and our college students to be able to be employed right here in this area with some of these high-tech jobs. And we appreciate CDF, the Board of Supervisors, MDA, Governor Tate Reeves for all working together to make this come true.
Folks, normally this is the time in the program where I say, let's go shovel some dirt and do a groundbreaking, but virtually, we really can't do that. So what I'd like to say is thanks to all the partners involved. Three Rivers Planning and Development, Tennessee Valley Authority, Mississippi Development Authority, North Mississippi Industrial Development Authority. All those folks have been really instrumental over the years in making sure that General Atomics has what they need to expand. And without a workforce that's trained by Etowah Community College, we couldn't do this. So thank you to our partners, and the biggest thank you is to General Atomics for investing the time and talent into the people of Lee County, Mississippi. Thank you, General Atomics. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for watching.